I always, July is like my favorite month because my birthday is actually on the 1st, and I get July 4th right around the corner, so it's like back to back, like celebrations. So. Woo!
Why the fuck did you let him go on the freeway?
He's got it.
That's the only way to get home.
That was not the only way to get home.
Bro.
Alright, take your shit out of my backpack and I'm gonna go cruise. Did you see what I mean about the downshift? How it jerked you? I told you, you have to always be switched. Sometimes when you downshift at low RPMs, it blips the throttle too much and fucking...
Bro, I gotta tell you, bro, you gotta take this off, man. Like, when she sits on it, like, it's literally, like...
Is it rubbing on it?
Barely, like, it's literally, like, it sits way lower.
Yeah.
Like, bend it all the way up. Because, like, it wasn't touching it, but if you hit a bump, like, it's gonna...
It's gonna grind on it, yeah. Oh, dog, do you ever get burned in your inner thigh?
Dude, my whole leg was burning.
Why?
When we were waiting in traffic. It's the nature of the bikes. They get so hot. Because the engine's right there.
Let me go grab my bag, man.
All right.